Vlog ya, sam lo eh. Sam lo eh. Lo am la am la. Warabusu, warabusu. Eh, nice blab eh. Happy noon eh. I'm do relax eh. Mik, gati kam down sir. Happy noon. Ang walk finish lang ah. 5 to 6 o'clock. Kami sit down lah eh. Eh plus ki, what is lah? Mana kam sit down lah? Buku na something true ya. Panyol merio. Bade. Sama di lah apa? That particular section, ini stone bisa nanti lah apa? Bisa kam sit down lah, terus spending time on them. Ano? So, sambil time, bloody time, no sambil time, atau kita time daily. Memang mas spending time demi on them. Ah, she is the source of everything. So become there, you know, something. But Islam, I think second moon now. Second moon. Today is the 3rd of July. So I think 2 months ago, 3rd of March now, maybe. Konanit lo wara, baptized. Na si Holy Spirit so. Well, ni luke mo sem. La spirit and stuff, but time we got this la spirit, what will we do with that spirit? Kan sa now we got spirit, the big man ka. So, yung man yung sagat physical kay lang so. Spirit tu. Balaki mo kay blam tu. So now me kam the feeding spirit man bami. So, feeding mem. Amol kay blam. And you stop inside lo talk the big man, one pla. Number 2, and now me go walk in. Me got time one time me come here, lo pray. So stop no killing video eh because I'm second month now. Me no sabi how ba go but temptation sa kam strong time lo manong good to strong but you must stop inside lo talk lo big man plus prayer now bami go inside lo man. I'm sa game strong na stop so yeah busuara eh. You know, passing time, lo waste the time, but you may feel the spirit man, by me. Some the time, you, Barta Susa, you must got time with him. That time, you yet got time on the big man. You come with him. Tapos him. Tok lo big man. Amare mi stuff, eh. Look stuff, eh. Need blue, na worry blue. Come na, pensim like blue, and then, like me, choosing this lahat because we can, like, sing out to. Milo ko na sandig, pamilogam ka na sa napapasigaw.